Hey, what's going on YouTube? Cole here with CoJoe Airsoft. Today I'm going to do a review and shooting test of the Lancer Tactical I just recently bought. Now today, first thing I'm going to start with is the straps, clip things. I don't understand this. This one's metal and this one's plastic, and this one broke on me the first time I put my sling on it, and I don't really, so I'll probably just tape that up. Second thing is, you know, I like the stock. It's a little wobbly, but I'm pretty sure you can fix that up with something. Oh yeah, and I had a little problem with it the other day. I was shooting it, it just stopped working all of a sudden. I took its battery, left it for 20 minutes or so, came back, put the battery back in, shot it, and the gears are grinding in it. So I was flipping, and apparently all you gotta do, because of the Allen key, you put in where the hand grip is and you just tighten it up. It pushes up a little box, or a little, I don't really know. It comes with an 8.4 battery, 1200 milliamp. It is full metal, by the way. Well, pretty well anyway. The strap does not come with it. Okay. Sights are plastic. You got your, pull this back, get you to your gearbox, or your hop up, sorry. So right now we're gonna do a shooting test now. I am using my D-Boys high cap 500 round mag. I ordered when I got the gun. And we will be doing semi and fully automatic. Start off with. So you guys hopefully can see that. Right there. Alright. And I will be standing about 100 feet away. Alright, so there it is, guys. You know, let's get you here. It is pretty accurate for what it is. Haven't changed anything on it. Did hit a few bullseyes, I guess. Now, I was using 12 gram BBs. Actually, to be honest with you, I was using 12s. And they were pretty accurate, actually, for how far I was standing away. Shoot a little. Well, if they go about 100 feet before they start flying away. So, actually, I could probably show you that. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Let me just line this up. Alright, hopefully you guys can see them. I'll try and get it more in the shade. I don't know if you guys might have been able to see that or not, but yeah, so this is the Lancer Tactical. I like the gun very much. Paid $100 for it, or $100 actually. So, yeah, thanks guys. Stay tuned. Remember to comment, rate, like, and subscribe for some more videos. Thank you.